Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make egg stew for rice only way. Start by chopping onions and tomatoes, then whisk 2 eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper. Sauté aromatics until soft, add tomatoes and simmer to concentrate flavor. Pour in beaten eggs slowly, stirring to create tender curds. Finish with chopped herbs and a squeeze of lemon for brightness before serving over rice. Gather ingredients and tools before you start to keep the cooking flow smooth and stress-free. You need 2 to 4 eggs, 1 onion, 2 tomatoes, 1 tsp salt, and 1 tsp oil. Optional ingredients like garlic, chili flakes, or herbs add personality but are not required. Use a medium skillet and a spatula, and keep rice ready and hot so you can plate the stew as soon as it finishes. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to help the channel grow and bring more recipes. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading recipe notes and food memoirs while you cook, with a glare-free screen and long battery life that fits a busy kitchen routine. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Heat oil over medium heat and sauté onions until translucent and slightly sweet, stirring occasionally. Add chopped tomatoes and cook until they break down and form a saucy base, adjusting heat as needed. Reduce heat slightly and pour in beaten eggs in a thin stream while stirring gently to produce soft, creamy curds. Taste and adjust seasoning with salt, pepper, or chili flakes, then fold in fresh herbs before serving over steaming rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.